Hey everybody, Stephen Noel. This week we are in Bangkok's Amulet Market. Some people come to Thailand looking for a spiritual experience, others come to Thailand looking for a massage. We have come to Thailand, Bangkok, looking for bright and shiny things. We think we're home to it today. Let's find out. The Amulet Market in Bangkok, Thailand is one of the largest and most well-known in the country. It attracts a significant number of buyers and sellers from all over Thailand and other parts of the world. The market is concentrated near Wat Po, the Temple of the Emerald Buddha. The temple has long been a center of amulet trading, and there are many shops and stalls selling amulets and other religious items in the surrounding streets. The size of the market in Bangkok is really difficult to quantify exactly. There's so many different types of amulets and levels of demand for those amulets. It's estimated that the market itself generates billions of Thai baht in revenue each year, making the amulet market one of the most significant markets of its kind. The market attracts a wide range of buyers, including collectors, investors, and ordinary people seeking good luck and protection. Many people believe that owning and wearing a powerful amulet can bring them good fortune, and this has helped to fuel the market's growth over the years. Well, we were chatting with one of the vendors who speaks English, and she was telling us this little amulet is for prosperity. So we think we got it correctly. We always want to keep it above our hearts. But now,
waistline, I think.
Waistline? Okay.
I don't really know.
Keep it high. It doesn't go ground level. So we're going to find a box, and then the box goes around it, and then you hang it on the wall. We discovered, though, conversing with the vendor in English comes at a cost. I think we paid triple for this of what we could have paid somewhere else.
You keep saying we, but you mean
me.
You.
But the conversation was not as good anywhere else as we had with the lady who speaks. Right there. Yeah, she said she speaks English, a little bit of Chinese, French, I think Spanish.
Italian.
Okay. So, higher price.
And English.
Yeah, higher price because we could actually converse with her. But what we didn't really converse about was what all of these mean. There's 4 or 5 different styles like this, and there's hundreds, if not thousands, of these all around here. So there's so much of this we don't know, but scored 1. The amulet market in Thailand is a significant and thriving industry, and it has a long history and a rich cultural heritage. Amulets are objects that are believed to possess supernatural powers and bring good luck, protection, and prosperity to the wearer. There are many different kinds of amulets in the Thai market, ranging from those featuring images of Buddha or other religious figures to those containing sacred materials such as hair or ashes from respected monks. The amulets are typically made from a range of materials, including metals, clay, and various types of stones. The popularity of amulets in Thailand is evident from the vast number of amulet markets, shops, and stalls that can be found throughout the entire country. These markets attract a wide range of buyers, from collectors and enthusiasts to ordinary people seeking good luck and protection. The amulet market in Thailand is a multi-billion-dollar industry, and the value of individual amulets can vary widely depending on their age, rarity, and perceived power. Some of those highly prized amulets can fetch prices of millions of Thai baht.
I really like this small thing, but I'm not sure why it has a hole in it. Because if you hung it, it would be upside down. It has a little smile, and it has writing on it, but I don't know what it means. Same with this. This is kind of like a ladybug, and then on the back something. They all have meaning, which I don't know. Too bad we couldn't find a guide to take us through here and teach us all about this stuff. That I would really enjoy. We had these little taco crepes. I think that they're sweet. I think this is like a shredded coconut that's sweetened, and they're warm. So it's like a little crepe on the back. I'm pretty sure it's a dessert, although Steve's looks like it has cilantro on it. So we'll see.
Cheers. That was cilantro.
It was cilantro?
Yeah.
But is it sweet overall?
maybe my mouth is burning too.
Spicy?
Maybe. Something's happening.
I think mine has a raisin. We'll see. This is an ice cream cone, only really thin. It's like super thin ice cream cone. This is some kind of eggy tart, chewy and sweet. It's delicious. Do you want to try mine?
Yes. Here, you try mine.
Definitely savory. Lots of coconut. Yeah.
So are you feeling the heat?
No.
No. I felt something like the roof of my mouth.
But it's definitely more savory than mine. Mine's definitely more sweet. Let's see. Try mine. Can't see through here.
I don't taste a huge difference. But mine had the cilantro. So
Yeah, yours tastes way more savory.
well, we paid 10 baht each.
So what's that, like 30 cents?
Yeah.
No.
So pretty cheap.
Got dressed up there. Look at all those. They're so dressed up. A little bit. Okay. I think I like this one. How much? That's more than I want to spend.
ไปได้ไหมขอทางพี่ครับขอทางเลย
How much is $206?
Yeah.
นี่นะคะ
I don't think I have 200.
กิ่งนะคะ
We don't
Don't vote.
นี่ก็สวย
have 200.
นี่ค่ะ
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you.
โอเคค่ะ
So what happened to the other sale?
It would cost more for me. Do you think? So my last sale fell through because of the furring price of 200 baht. 50 baht, because it had a sign.
What is
And it
that?
had little golden eyes, or red eyes.
It looks like a gargoyle.
I don't know what it is, but it's cute.
I think it's a monkey.
It has something on the back. I don't really know, but I like it. And it didn't have the furring price, so even better.
It took a little bit of hunting, but we found a case for the amulet. The case was 40 baht. The first place I looked at, I saw a similar case. They told me 200 baht. So I decided I didn't even want to try to negotiate down. So second place, they just had the prices listed. So got the case, 40 baht. Got a chain to go with it for 40 baht as well. So got my 80 baht into the container and the case, container and the chain, and then for the amulet itself I paid, let's say, too much the other day. So we see people walking around and they have like the chains around their neck, and they may have 4 or 5 of these hanging around them. My plan for this, quite honestly, is to just hang it on a wall, so I didn't really feel the need to spend a lot on the chain. But that kind of brings us to the end of today's Bangkok Amulet market tour. It's very dense in here. There's so many different kinds of amulets, whether you're into animals or you're into Buddhas or you're into whatever. There's a lot of bling to be had here, so definitely add it to your market when you come. Definitely add it to your agenda when you come to Bangkok. We'll see you next time. You're doing good. You're doing good. No, you're doing good. You're doing good. No, don't barf. Oh God.